Hello friends, welcome to GeoMart Digital. Let me explain the concept to you. But before I go there, let me also share what is currently happening in the industry. As of now, the Indian e-commerce industry has seen an unprecedented growth. There's a complete upward trajectory of their sales, which is impacting the offline sales to a great extent. So, increasing digital presence has seen a wide range of price offers, a wide range of product offers, and all of that is fueling the online growth. Every day we hear about mega sales day, flash sales, etc. etc. Every day we hear about these kind of sales happening. In fact, as per one of the reports, the smartphone sales reached the ever highest in the online sales, taking 45% share of the market in 2020. Electronics retailers, including smartphone retailers, are therefore staring at a very bleak future, at a very tough time. Even Diwali is not really bringing any sort of a cheer to the offline retailers. So, what are the challenges which general trade retailers are facing in attracting the customers to their stores? One, there is limited product options. You cannot keep too many products in your showrooms. Second, you don't have the mega sales days. Those are all being done by the online channels. There is very limited option of consumer finance. Very limited number of retail partners also have consumer finance options to offer. And even they do not have too many finance options to offer. You're competing with the lowest price guarantees of the online channels. So therefore, you don't really have the assurance of best practices to be able to offer to your consumers. Okay, so now let me give you the tale or the story of two types of offline retailers. One, a general trade offline retailer, and number two, a GeoMart retail partner. What happens in the two? And what is it that GeoMart Digital brings to you? First, let me talk about the category of products. In terms of category of products, normally as a GT retailer or a general trade retailer, you have limited number of phones and limited number of accessories that you can offer to your customers. And I'm not talking about all retailers, I'm talking about majority of the retailers. Versus this, as a GeoMart digital retail partner, you can offer more than 20,000 SKU of electronic products to your customers. Second, in terms of space, expanding a store is always a challenge, especially if you are in big cities. Expanding your store can become a huge challenge. One, because the space is not available. Two, the rentals of the space are forbiddingly expensive. Now look at it, as a GeoMart digital retail partner, what is it that you get? You can actually sell all these 20,000 plus SKUs to your customers without any additional space requirement. You don't have to increase the size of your showrooms to be able to offer all these 20,000 products to your customers. Next is about deals and offers. As a general trade retailer, you have access to limited number of deals, limited number of offers to be able to compete with your online channel partners or some of the other channel partners. As a GeoMart digital retail partner, you can actually be able to offer daily offers on different products to your customers. What is next? Marketing. you're able to do very limited amount of marketing for your customers. The scope is very, very limited. You're normally dependent upon only the brands to do their marketing and then wait for the customers to come to your showrooms. As a JioMart digital retail partner, national campaigns and targeted customer communications will be supporting you. That is a huge support that you can get so far as marketing is concerned, both to get you to your customers and your customers to you, both ways. Then, in terms of earnings, no matter what you do, unless you're able to extract a big type of a scheme from your brands, or unless you increase your sales manifold, your scope for increasing the earning is limited. And you've experienced this in the last year and a half even more. As a JioMart digital retail partner, I can tell you, you have an opportunity to earn up to 50% more than what you are earning right now. That is a huge power and huge advantage of a JioMart digital partner. So what happens in the online case? In the online sales, there is an ease of product delivery, product discovery. That is what happens in the online space. What happens in the offline space? In the offline space, your customers have a huge trust on you. So, as a JioMart digital partner, you can actually upgrade your store to combine the trust of offline sales that you do to your customers with the ease of discovery of products which online offers. Therefore, as a JioMart digital partner, what we bring to you is an assisted sales platform. This assisted sales platform will help you to guide your customers to an easy way of discovering more than 20,000 products or SKUs which you can offer to your customers. Now combine that with the trust which the customer has on you, which has been built over the years by being closer to the customer, your proximity to the customer, your face-to-face interaction with the customers, and they recognize you, you recognize them, and the real-time quick response which customers can get while they're interacting with you. So therefore, as a JioMart digital partner, you have the advantage of both. This trust of your offline sales, of your offline presence, of your presence, and the ease of discovery of more than 20,000 products, which you can guide your customers with assisted sales platform that we bring to you as a JioMart digital partner. Now, as a JioMart digital partner, as I mentioned, you have the opportunity to sell more than 20,000 SKUs to your customers. These products, and some of them being exclusive products also. Now, which means if you're able to sell so many electronic products, your questions would be, what is the kind of investment it will be required? How will I keep that inventory? Where will I keep that inventory? Well, let me answer that. 1, no additional investment required. No additional investment required. Number 2, no need to keep physical inventory in your stores unless you want to keep something. Number 3, no additional space required in your stores. I'll repeat that. No additional investment required. No need to keep physical inventory unless you want to keep it. No additional space required in your showrooms. As a JioMart digital retail partner, you can be part of all mega sales events. All the mega sales events which we do, they can be yours as well. And in these events, all those customer footfalls, the extra customer traffic, higher customer retention, all of that can be yours to experience as well. this ad that you can see on the screen right now, as a JioMart digital partner with JioMart digital support, this ad can be for your store as well. You can be a part of this kind of an ad for your customers. Let me give you a few more examples of the advantages of a JioMart digital retail partner. And let me give you a little comparison. So I will read it out, and let me read out and tell you the comparison. So on 26th of July 2021, what were the TV panel prices which were online and which were available in Reliance Digital? Okay. In case of Reliance Digital, the TV panel of 50-inch television was 32,990 rupees, while in online space it was 36,999, which means that as a JioMart digital partner, you can also offer these best prices for your customers. Let me give you another example of that. In case of the offer by Reliance Digital, in the Digital India sale event, which was versus the online mega sales, look at the comparison. Apple AirPods, second generation, were offered by Reliance Digital, again on 26th of July 2021, at a price of 11,999 rupees. While in the online space, the same was at 12,490 rupees. The AirPods Pro were offered to the customer by Reliance Digital at 19,999. The same were offered in the online space at 21,490 rupees. So clearly, as a JioMart digital retail partner, you can also offer the best of prices for your customers. Another example I can give you, and this is not a comparison, but this is about how there are different offers which you can give to your customers. Again, very recently on 26th of July, on a direct cool refrigerator purchase or on a top load washing machine purchase, Reliance Digital gave a free sandwich toaster or an electric kettle to its customers. On frost-free refrigerators and front-load washing machines, there was a mixer grinder or a rice cooker which was given free to the customers. Now, such offers are available for you also as a JioMart digital retail partner to be able to give to your customers. A JioMart digital retail partner can now offer EMI options on all products with 100% retail coverage from day one. Yes, you heard me correctly. EMI options on all products with 100% retail coverage from day one. Some of you must be wondering that we were not able to get this kind of a support. But yes, as a JioMart digital retail partner, you will be able to get that support as well. And it is a known fact that if you are able to offer EMI options to your customers, you can actually increase your sales by almost 30% or more because of the multiple affordability options that you can offer to your customers. What all can you offer? One, you can offer cashbacks, which are similar to Reliance Digital cashbacks. You can offer that as a Reliance JioMart digital retail partner. Second, as a JioMart digital retailer, you can accept all payment modes. All payment modes. You can actually help your customers with digital financing, which is powered by Reliance Retail at your store for all product categories. That's a huge advantage for your customers as well as for yourself. Also, for the first time in India, now EMI options on all products are available to you with long tenure options. And I'm not talking about 3 months or 6 months or 9 months one. I'm talking about long tenure options. These are available to you as a JioMart digital retail partner to offer to your customers. You also are therefore able to offer this credit facility for new to credit customers who have never actually ever accessed EMI options or got a credit from any of the institutions earlier. You also have, as a JioMart digital retail partner, a huge support from Reliance Rescue, which is our in-house service arm. Reliance Rescue offers multi-product, multi-brand service support of all products or in electronics of any brand which you will be selling to your customers. And this is brought to you as a JioMart digital retail partner. In terms of repairs, our rescue engineers can examine, they can restore, and they can repair your customers' favorite electronic products without any problems. Our rescue engineers and rescue services are available 365 days in a year. So, no break for your customers, any kind of service requirements at any point of time, including Sundays or even public holidays. Next, in terms of smart services, our rescue engineers can do the installation, they can give the customer's product demonstration, as well as explain to them as to how to use the product. This all comes to you as a JioMart digital retail partner from Reliance Rescue, our in-house service support to all of you. So, all of this is good news. Your question would be, when are we starting? When can you become a JioMart digital retail partner? Well, let me explain the calendar to you as to how it will roll out. Our JioMart digital launch plan as to how it will roll out. Beginning in August now, we will be starting the whole demonstration and training of our own stores. We'll undergo this demo and the training of this JioMart Digital as a program. By September 21st, by September 2021, selected general trade stores will become a part of this program. Yes, it will be selected number of general trade retail partners who will become JioMart digital retail partners in September 2021. And then after that, we will start the rollout to all other stores as well. Whoever want to join this tremendous journey for bringing a huge value to your customers. So this will be a big journey which will happen over the years as we roll out across the next few months. Thank you very much.